we're going to have a legal education right here on GN Radio with one of the sought after law firms across the United Kingdom. I'm talking about Fortwell Solicitors. With one of the top managers, Daniel Coy, as usual, he's going to take us through some of the legal issues that's bothering the African and Ghanaian community across UK and beyond. Say law firm edi akotrepa wo UK bibia nu ha obuntumi enye ema on safa immigration legal issues any bibiara eha obiara Fortwell Solicitors ebe kwama on ebe kwaje o waya ma obi no mo waya ma me obeya ma onso bibia nu ha nso omo ye Samran chakra yene yabakwa homa nso de akwa lawyer Penny Daniel Quell, a very simple gentleman pa wa bene ewo law semu legal issues there or that crowd no be san question betumi you are no kama dimu akotrepa I didn't say what do ho bon mo a papa ma me wo ha ebe sapa because I rather pay the bit to be a Jimmy. This is so your mad
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, yeah. How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father, you done for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
Lord,
you are.
You're my everything.
Say, I call you Zion.
Lord, my provide.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. Lord, you are.
Lord, you're my everything.
I call you
The sons of Joe Method.
Will you just say,
Samre, yeah, call Ahmanusinia Kakofa,
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you.
yeah, lawyer Daniel Coy. And then one in the lawyer Penia, one year ever call. Now, what the law. Some summer say update to be about Obama, Yaswati Samre, ya call Ahmasi. Hello, lawyer, Yama Kwaba, about GN Radio Nanape.
Mema Chi Anopawe. Good morning.
Yes, you are looking smart.
That's it. Thank you.
And
Yes, young.
And that about the casual, and that about the casual. That I wish you are for here.
Oh, Nyamia de Mobia here.
All right, nice to see you again today.
Yeah, thank you.
And me and I made tremble in place of Dr. Ren. Nah, said I may no share say be Muma Dr. Masaba Besum. Yo, and before you back on, update to be how wait to me Eddie Candy Amaya and Sana. Afi o messages are eba. See, I'm over 50 messages about be go see ya. Internet them say there were more messages will happen. Now, my main kind at here for say would we feed no ato ha. A GN Radio UK. Now, pay a legal hour. Your name Fortwell Solicitors. Daniel Kwe and ebedi ijumana. Ne would the muchiamen. Darling Jamia Kasamaji Kunya and me no babe a legal hour. Far immigration near asylum, family, employment, civil litigation, words and probate law, some seminar and ya kika. Anything legal biano, legal issues biano, Fortwell Solicitors and a bit to me and no a dinner year on bit to me abo. Inti yan chat yan semre lawyer dikama wakwaba. Inti ane day and obit me a pahon to my regarding immigration issue nafi yatwa yan kwama so.
Yo meda sibebre darling Jess one mommy opportunity now. Say for ever share immigration issues at currently ewo Krumu has say. Na moi mutie last week and as a moment journey last week, maybe a quick recap in my bubo so last week, na or more mutie for the first time so it's in yati in yemebia one of the main things discussed last week, the fact that if you can see move for a big announcement, few changes. Our immigration rules Now the major one was regarding visitors visa. One person more back and strife. The BIA Kase Krumu has a time both visitors visas once and but almost 90% of the conform mobile for the first time. You sue visitors visa in a debate Krumu. Mobile we no who said no. Omuntimi enkobium and as a area binti omuntimi anko na omuntimi acronym. So it's very, very important say your personal mobile business right here, so we will know the rules a visitors visa home. Say your invitation and more you invite your mama by follow the right process. Now the chances of refusal are not limited. The correct changes were but changes in the major bias are the only thing is so open we invite you be now or back and strife or more Diana. Lawyer now discuss it with circumstances and especially to find out experience travel experience, a very, very important so familiarize your with the new rules now or more I implement. Yes, also a ball for a home como a crack a bit more James say in Yememu thing and a crack in Yememu thing kakra if you can see move on now see changes be war EA applications and as it records a settlement status application after Brexit after the 1st December 2020 say EU for has said if we coming and going this year we expect say so we EU need now back room has said now so be you may have to apply using our work permit or BI to be a point-based system and me base to do BI use. However, ultimately say almost tightening rules for settlement status, pre-settled status they have started mentioning the fact that amount for adverse immigration history the ABA previously application you try to be amawaya warrior amano and you catch us say our ready engine to say our ready papa into near Bumbeka say marriage of convenience and as a sham marriage. Na when DH we Jmuakwa, there will come a time back room has say proud for now. Now I catch us because of that in the year revoke so I will pre-settle status and as a settled status now or one meaning say you cannot continue coming into the country again. And yes, something that we thought say people need to hear about it because there are a number of people and yes say bia aware or worry and in aware pap but or yeah aware why application be yes your interview or how money say or that is so frustrating now with now or now we and this is coming back to hands those people. So yeah, advice the man for say if you happen to find yourself in a situation where yes our previous applications need be this is the best time for you to take a phone, call us, let's look at our refusal and see how I rectify our problem now. And yes, going forward, this is likely to affect you. We'll pre-settle status. I want you to say, I send you email, the letter, dear bro, say, this is going to affect me every book is out there. Even at the time we do airport at Ura Cronimo. Now, we also talked about almost try to almost the empala, everybody, you have biba, you have near biba, opposite the neighbor. We told people, say, there is a right way of doing those type of applications. Yana every month, you oh, Matisse Papa, where you be connection, my way, or yes, no, my year, where I would done crats, be a any papa, no more if they do time, if you can see move for who it's point, international applications, and also almost yena almost banner be do airport grandpa, now you no money out there, and they had a lot of issues. Those people don't also know it is possible, say, in future, not after 31st December, will pre-settle status and as a settle status idea amount who to point out bunny and as a 1 year involved in any of those activities that you bit in the long and short of it, they say we are not saying this to be what amount will there be. We are saying this so that people can prepare adequately. Say we jabi BT uni to be ewo ukoto kuma wana say be baby we JHD and you think say oh because we EU national ube okay the amount at yes based on information and efficacy for Ediaba based on changes at all my year this can still affect you. It's important say you take that phone call and discuss it and see how that can be resolved on your behalf. Now I must make it clear say and yet obia ye refusing an application in the past in as such changes will affect. If you will hold no man now you refuse your more in the past. But the reason for refusal and ye be to say what could fake documents yeah na documents any papa be the application and that's where our any our papa if you hold my genuinely there might be a good reason you refuse your application and the person would have thought say you know what don't even go through the frustration of going through appeal process and you almost and a year can almost specifically they've been involved in activities if you can consider say only good character and I said they're not involved in activities that they better say adverse immigration history. Almost in a side way, ever apply to them and people need to take notice of it. We are there to help people. It doesn't matter how long the case has been on, waiting us and say with current situation, and see how best give it to me. I'll go back to that issue, to resolve it for you. In some cases, it will be said those people will have to make fresh application. In some cases, ABN and that's always appeals. We will help those people to appeal against those decisions. What we are saying is that no matter what it is, being HED on the assumption say me a EU national, but anytime they're back home, you will be peace of mind. That's not what people should think. Now, moving on to a discussion, I'm a person discussing. Government's recent announcement regarding second national lockdown at started from Thursday. And starting from Thursday, we've had a lot of inquiries and all say, hey, with Brexit day, I'm a person my warrior and how is this going to affect people? So that's what I want to discuss this morning with people. Say, look, for young Fortwell Solicitors, during this lockdown, second lockdown, yeah, it's business as usual. We are open, we'll be serving our clients and whatever needs that you need, offer. Even though there have been a few changes on how your clients, your phone lines, your system, everything will be available for individuals because we are in critical times. In as much as lockdown, we are also approaching 31st December 2020, meaning say yiye enyama no eso eba betwa nti na nkofo bebre wo honom a obi wo honom waware ne yiye ni ebi wo honom ne papa o yiye ne de na bakom ha se o so bebo na mana in fact onye obi wo honom o wakala bi ofi opeso okofa no ana nadafu bi ba bi opeso okofa no. This is the best time for you to do that application. Opeso we yes application and so that 31st of December but you are worried say based on this lockdown now lawyers will not be available to assist you to do it. We are open for business and we are there to assist your clients, no matter what the circumstance is. If you know after the previous lockdown, lawyer, let me say maybe during the period, we never close and we are never going to close. We are available to work for individuals, even though some of your caseworkers may be working from home near the end. We will be there to take your calls and answer any questions. Regarding immigration issues. Now, Abain also, based on the announcement now, Abain a year, Home Secretary also a year policy changes be update here on the 2nd of November. And also the many in Crawford discuss it briefly, especially a month for back whom has said in during the lifting of the first lockdown now, they need to go back based on the fact that they be locked down from Thursday and Abia Omuntini Enko. What the Home Office have said, they say, if for any reason, so because of lockdown now, you need to apply or email via they have provided. Over send the email with reasons, and they will give you your friend exceptional assurance. Exceptional assurance, a concession via amount for they need to return, but they are not in a position to return because of the second lockdown. Unfortunately, that's where exceptional assurance and now say a concession ya amount for and yet as good as what was there previously now automatically now between 31st of March all the way till time left a lockdown now automatic extension. Now they are expecting say what this certain evidence be for instance, if Uber has say and so 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks, we expect say Uber how we can return tickets. What the Home Office is saying now, they say if you are sending in an application for some exceptional assurance, would they will return flight tickets, and then the reason why I want me and coffee and also before they will grant you some exceptional assurance. What that exceptional assurance will do for you in future, they said, if in future also call also year application as an ababium now you say last visit about UK did you overstay? It is that exceptional assurance that will give you any liberties and I say assurance is you refuse to application. So Chrome has said now you are not too sure, Mr. But more Diana discuss especially Ghana, they are returning to Ghana. There's no lockdown or Ghana. Our flights are going back. It will be very difficult for you to successfully get that exceptional assurance. This is something that you need to discuss with your flight, your airline. We are sure that some airlines are going to close and they will not be flying and they are going to reschedule certain flights. If that happens, making sure so we have evidence, so airline a contact so no send email and as cancel flight nyasa evidence na fa cancel email no send them Home Office for no more assurance na or more can assessment and only a very 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 important. Now, the second issue NHS workers has say visa to stay in the country. Say on the 31st of March, Abayano announced say doctors, nurses are all year Emma NHS on me I year application for 1 year extension free. Following that announcement, almost the further guidance by say just nurses doctors, but other professions are a work NHS and as under the medical way, can take benefits of it. So we expanding occupations are including midwives, health professionals, paramedics, pharmacists. A lot of people are almost any form of visa and can get 1 year extension. What the Home Office have done is they have announced an extension to that scheme, instead of they are expecting say a month for visa up to the end of November, can take advantage of our benefits. And I must say, and not just NHS workers, or more that profession, or more any other industry, so long as our industry is properly registered, we take advantage of it. If we individual be a war visa is about to expire now, so you want clarification and you want to know whether you can take benefit of it. There's an email that Home Office want to provide you, which can send you more email, and now your employer can contact the UK NHS team who will be able to assist you to find out say who qualify and say won't qualify. I must add, who are 2.5 years, who are tier 2 visa, or any visa be awarded, here to any indefinitely remain. This can apply to you and you can take advantage of it. Then I'll move on quickly to spouses, any minimum income. During these crises, COVID, there's been a lot of pressure on our families too, because if you are on a Juma asset, if you are on my redundant, or if you are on they put them on fellow scheme. And based on that, it has become difficult to meet the minimum income requirement of 18,600. Not only timi a year application offer omuknumo and your moyeremo and also omomba because they are currently not meeting the minimum income requirements. What the Home Office said at the time, and they said they were giving some concessions. These concessions, means if you are not earning some minimum income, still, they will be able to assist you with your application. They will consider your application in a positive light. This thing continues still, because the lockdown has been extended. It's still possible. Say, if you are struggling to meet that minimum income threshold now, we are taking advantage of that concession. We encourage people for a very long time. Want to find because we need enough income to show. This is the best time to take advantage of this and go ahead and make the application. It may be said you don't meet the concession properly as they have announced it, because concession initially applied to lots of income up to 31st of August 2020. Now lose your income up to 31st of August 2020. Another concession applied to them. Now extended lose your income up to the 1st of January 2021, which is very, 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 very good. So it's going to help a lot of people. However, forever. I must add, say, and not just the financial support in a year relevant. We also have people I knew said they need English language requirement. There's English test or Ghana. I also say British Council or Ghana. They have not been open to take new courses and as on issue exams. There's a concession for such people as well. It is also called you also called. However, on English test because you're close here, there's a concession there. Speak to your solicitor, speak to us. We'll be able to assist you. And who here said, we'll be not saying, Waka said, we'll train, I'm only be able to English and Sana, Wakofa, Wajireno, Eddie Abba, and Aukun Eddie Abba. For students, someone who Chrome has here, who crash students visa, Home Office for on the 20th of April, no, almost issue temporary concessions, VMR, or more. Meaning, says, we are students, who Chrome has said, now we university, it's not open. So we are distance learning. Any problem still, it was possible. Say, we wait me, I continue now. What J will extension? I say you are not breaking the rules because first, in says your mouth, class, you will be a friend of class students for the winning number. The mouth will not renew and answer the there are a number of days. It is expected that you show up in class. See, those concessions remain. Won't mean call class because of COVID now. You can still continue. We extension. Now it's not here. There are a number of concessions that they have implemented. Working hours. And so students working for NHS need various professions, are exempt from normal 20 hours a week cap. No say any say so all the student visa ever come has say the catch you say oh during term time not me 20 hours. Yeah, efficacy for air can say so we jumama NHS now with more time as you want.
Okay. So there's no limit.
There's no limit. No.
Okay. That's good. And they're good for some of the students. To me, at the same time, to me, continue on over their studies. Yo, lawyer to us, as well, you say your messages, baby, what happen?
Okay. In terms of, but briefly,
yeah, education after your call.
Yeah, employers are almost far amount for wage based on the fact that almost sponsorship license. So they expect to say be meet certain duties. Package or the employees, any idea say meetings and minimum threshold fee. And also a few concessions. The long and short of all these concessions, the amount for is if you find yourself in any situation during this COVID era, with second lockdown, what we will advise you is you need to speak to somebody because Uber say a problem based on that, a better effective application, not in actual sense, and say that any problem. It is something that any into what situation be regarding with immigration issues, speak to people. Apart from all this, more 2.5 years since come on them ABI the mouth because what worry will come ABI the mouth because we back we British and as we back already 7 years come has say time as soon be year renewal, but it can somewhere thing because obviously you have to follow scheme so ABI are redundant and being not same of this and there's a lot of things going on. Maybe be a friendly fee waiver, you don't have to pay the fees. Say 80 crown per over 2.5 years, over so what the benefit to be actual. It's me a year if so it never be brave air course in the favor of more and crata and crata to work has say it's important that people take advantage of all these concessions, ask questions which are relevant to their individual circumstances, and we are here to assist any individual and make sure that nobody struggles in this difficult era.
All right, I say ne education or the amaya eto not just before I read the questions, we hear more COVID-19 but I say immigration immune and some kakra.
Oh yes, in general, no. There have been a few changes. It's been in your favor, especially with Brexit, with changes, no concessions, peace, in this era, the Americans say a ban immigration field now. Changes, those one changes are going on. But the amount for action and so they say, and as almost tears here, say, Bema Obia ain't nasty and assume say, obey me you to COVID as an excuse, say, because of COVID-19, maybe Sababe would my near renewal, because of COVID-19, seminary chinya, that is the reason why we too we are considered as essential workers, and I said key workers, and we need to be available for the justice system to run. For us, we are saying, say, people should take advantage of all the changes in our air ban. What we need to take a phone call, we are phone call away, we don't charge for consultation. If you already say a silly question, why didn't they say could be such anyway? But you never know. If you are saying you are better, everything you have and everything you have unia or baby he's struggling.
Okay, thank you very much. 26 minutes after 10. So I finna do a video to hire GN Radio UK. You're from a darling Jimene, a year Daniel Kwe, our free a year Fortwell Solicitors, a lawyer kuku dam for by immigration, a salam semsewa, family law, employment, civil litigation, and the Kikawa, Omudimu Akotrapa, inti Bomodia say, Obertua, Womo office, baby, Womo, Uber to Miss Afre, Womo, a year you know, ubetumi afra omo ewo 0203 35270. Okay, maybe. Producer, ubetumi afra omo 0203 3257030. 0203 3257030. And I say ubetumi akọ omo office ewo unit 1 ground floor Katerina House. 50A Clarendon Road, London N8 0DJ. I've been there several times. And to what da, but I told ya, wow, be Johnny, ako. Na, near just have a friend said, Ubedika Freha, Ubedika, you go the long way by calling to GN Radio Studio, asking for the telephone numbers, asking for the address before you make your way there. This is the time you need to get all those details gathered. Na chinabi neke esia na intentemra what to be at wawomo. They are very friendly team. To me abo papa. Daniel kwe debi ameka me am personal lawyer no. Sebetiha na mo ha yefe na mi ginam na so na se de women nima efri ono. Mi muna so a ebe free ono. But you always make sure I'm a happy man to live in the UK. Say the age na ya hwehwe no. Right, Daniel, question the yamama de at least 32 minutes. And to me and messages nibi because I don't some also who are with you to me the message afar say opesa WhatsApp and now they say 0778 793 9958 0778 793 9958. So opesa ofre ahomano sunso dia. And your mail advice is over 0203 735 8820. And ABC pa 0203 735 8820. On that note, young call test line also. I say, good morning. I got your number from my auntie. Okay, don't worry. I really need to get my mom to come. Lawyer, question in Mao. I say, I really need to get my mom to come and stay with me in the UK. I'm her only child and I learned she is not doing well health-wise. Myself, I have separated from my spouse, so on my own, so can't visit her often, so I'm worried for her. Anyway, that's. Also, I'm self-employed and was hoping that when she comes, she could also help me out with my children. My main concern is to do with my finances. As a self-employed with a limited company, I need some more information on how to get my account viable for her invite to be considered. And also, I will be traveling to Ghana, God willing, in January, and would like to know if I can do this before I can bring her with me when returning back from Ghana.
A very, very important question. And it comes up a lot because nanka possible say if it's not for fire memo and I am papa mo my omenyika fika ka ofie na abana omobai yet me abo mo no to metimi aboaye. The issue they say a ban of adult dependent visas. Since 2012, we've had a lot of issues with that type of visa. I must say, one of the most expensive visas a work I think it's the most expensive visa crown for with me a year. However, it is one of the expensive visas. We are almost the success rate, next to zero. Most people momo. Intino so open say me eba prum has say na obetnemu with the right visa, which is adult dependent visa. Now it is very, very difficult. The question and maybe say would have been say or non-suni status thing because the Nipani British only uses the adult dependent visa. But the Nipani EU national. Then your adult way dependent visa, which is much easier to obtain than Ubia or your British or President ever. But because you miss our answer, now I will answer for both.
Also you're British. What else?
British national.
Yeah,
okay.
British.
Yeah, so or a British national, then clearly, see a call adult dependent visa, which is very, very difficult. However, a possible so with Yama Abba has the on visitors visa. obetumi abahase for ensra hwe na eno ne dear you have to follow some processes and answer some requirements there so obetumi meet. One of them na the fact say o ma me no oba onye na dwen say oba betina kum ha say afobor or back for ensra hwe for a very short period of time and then to go back to bibia ofi ebaye into most of the time na so your application now omo person omo hu ade a wo ma me eye ewofie based on that means the enya ade a oba ha obeden oba beka. So you need to establish say bia ma me ewo bibia store bia na o jume bia na bia keeping the business so ultimately this information extra application so because they're very very important to establish say my main and I didn't say about it has say after before. Then the second thing is my men so bad on be burden and not abandon and that's on be burden to the public. It's important so be seek them accommodation provisions away ama umame seek them no ubobi so say we are self-employed. What limited liability company.
That's correct.
So we are limited liability company. Any issue because for limited liability owners, we expect to say so be easy if the limited company, obey salary. So you have the pay slip into the obia or yet director of a limited company, obey dividends and also obey pay slip. Into the side dividend pay slip, you bring your evidence as your source of income, not what the application. Then the bank accountant would just ask salary to a common. You bring your evidence, you have to show say what enough funds are over to me. I will use this opportunity to mention briefly say limited liability companies are ABR or self-employed. You'll be a friend SA302. I extract the source of your income and then you do a HMRC. I don't extract income for the last tax year. A very, very important document. Professor Kofa Omame Eba what they trade. And then we need to see Omame bank account even if it can be a Nimu Crampo, now Bosuni Biao sending £50, £100, £200, they will handle the total account. It's important to or this account details never come. We are more than happy say Yenya Bana send this message Freya. Application.
Because what can now send this I'm a British to Tipa. Anything you know about Yenimu about Bombardian Sober Frey Fortwell Solicitors for na number that me did to Jano na wa from number boapa bibia akonkan e the amount. Lawyer, when so a simple question. Or say, can you still use the paper application for naturalization as a British citizen if you live in England? Mike, dia or the buy any. Was sending the 3 times near Brepa answer.
There be any possible. And yet possible say obey a paper application anymore. Normally, no, the paper application they will reject it from the web back and tell you say for your online application. The answer is say any possible.
Okay. Mike, yes, any possible. It's as simple as that. And lady now was one son was thank you very much. Or that was it. Yeah, sure we so quickly. Oh, also darling, you brutal. I was there. Lawyer, there, I would never be quite brutal. I say, also say, can I apply for fee waiver for naturalization as a carer?
There be any possible sell with me a application for fee waiver for naturalization. And I must add, what count fee waiver once if question be endorsed from it me at Bosu Kakrana for ATSA. Any application here in our will qualify for fee waiver. Okay. Into the applications to say naturalization, applications to say indefinitely to remain. These type of applications don't qualify for naturalization. Don't qualify for fee waiver. Sorry. It's very, very important. The reason why those applications don't qualify for fee waiver is a year application, a year necessary, a year agent. In fact, obey naturalization application, most of the time, when indefinite data. Into say, who needs to can now? Now, so won't mean your application for naturalization. The expectation is obey to what train for the time that you get the money to make the application. Into no, and now they are efficacy for better say, oh, yeah, amount fee waiver for that type of application. The same for Empala, almost person almost a year registration, almost almost mean year application for fee waiver. The fee waiver no is available for almost 2.5 years, via or about kumha or waru kumha na ahoche aba. Almost no year application for fee waiver. You know, so what situation musa na so open see wow na ye sa fee waiver na mawa. We are more than happy say ye amount. I mean, every week in, week out, you know, we are saving people over 6,000 to 7,000 pounds. Families that review on my application, home office fees in one is going to 6,000, 7,000 pounds. We are saving people that type of money. Into Obia, Esa or yet application, no, me patrol. So we will see kind of crown. It is important to Obama or representatives and I check it say who qualify for that fee waiver no and stand out to ask for any application.
Okay. We used to say, hello, please. I want to ask lawyer, what type of married certificate do I need from Ghana to make an application for my husband? I'm in the UK and he is in Ghana. I'm a EU national. I can't go to Ghana due to this pandemic and also have young kids as well.
Okay. You see, Ghana situation, you know, a bit unique, and I keep on saying this. We are one of the few countries that the has a for no be a friend of proxy marriage and as a customary marriage. In your war, the normal one no a or registry never Islamic one. For Ghana, no, there were 3 types of marriages. These 3 types of marriages are recognized by the UK courts, okay, and UK authorities. The most important thing is that for each type of marriage over opted for no, you have followed the right processes, gotten the right documents for that type of application and that type of marriage certificate. If you don't do that, that is where the problem comes in. Give me a ban a question. We said the type of marriage certificate. The answer is all the 3 type of marriage certificates are possible so be useful. The only thing is it is only customary marriage. In a way to me, I has say now I'm a Lucian for neither. I hear whilst I would need a fee. In this circumstance, I don't think this is all yet customary marriage, But my advice is that before or making sure say on any lawyer at this case, I'm a match share of what is expected of her for such certificate, because if you are making of here has said we 10 marriage certificates are already 50 at the back send for application. A moon night not problems. You will reject them and say so won't no more into the before book up normal bushing for registration amount making sure say no lawyer no at discuss it. I'm an church or choir as say their own call boka and choir marriage certificates are and to me you should find your share.
You have been so the message you are a very good person pa because we question and I'm for at affair one time is member didn't by Mayor the JK or about the full name crack by Mayor the JK initial or say I've been in the UK and next year will be 20 years. How much will it cost me to legalize myself? I came through the back door from Holland 20 years ago. I can't cross of a back door. I'm seeing the dish. And then I've got a boat to pass. It was
maybe I near back door. Once I will rock Cronium one dear. Back door be any hollow. Into the end, Bearman now castle of our back door. No obedience of our back door, but Bobby, what room into our front door. You see, any problem if you near Bearman if our back door or front door no we rock him for 20 years. You bet me up one I'm not regularizing a stay, the good thing is Obia Ortina has a 20 years illegal, likely say a big crown partner on Nisika, only bank account on Yechuma. So you bet me a fee waiver at their manner, meaning say home office fees, the NHS fees, which is about 2,600, he will not have to pay it. I wouldn't tell Yenya Beman say he should be thinking about the money per se because we have ways and means you bet me qualify fee waiver manner on to your share for in terms of home office fees, into on your own friend after the program. I'm more than happy to say Mebuano now with me I an application and I with me in an because 20 years is a very, very, very long time, and I'll be more than happy to help him.
Okay. You'll be more than happy to help him. Now, my main cow says so. I think I'll do a video on ato her. I hire GN radio. Liga wa jumedi and yegusi. Mene a Daniel Kwe from Fortwell Solicitors and yewaha yedi jubei. Na me saw another question. Also, good morning, lawyer. Please, I would like to show. Oh, sorry. I would like to know if your British nationality can be revoked if you accumulate housing debt. It will be so that there's only a dinning.
A clan dear, you know, Bisaya, a canobia de cat into no bemonstro, so accumulating housing debts. I may revoke you not British passport again of prayer, revoke it. So it's audio could so won't mean to our new monko negotiate by Nadia for British passport because of that. I must add, say, Obia Wunyanya or British passport. Now, what we indefinite, our plan is about British passport. If you have problems with data, it can affect your application. It's very, very important. And I'll repeat it. Say, we indefinitely leave to remain. Now, I'm fancy now, person called naturalization certificate. Person called naturalization. Now, a cababre, we need with me any problems with the application. It comes under good character requirements now. Home Office for the buyer, FA naturalization. If it's a lot of debt that you are in and they are taking you to court here and there, it is something that you need to look at very carefully because one year not quite affecting any application I'll be.
Daniel, I don't know if our number to you will be ABC's open number.
Yo, almost share on Facebook, more share where I see her number and we have about 3 numbers there, but ABC's radio so number no 079 449 76161. Messa Eric Ebio 079 449 76161. With me after number way anytime they are between 9:30 and 5:30 Monday to Friday. If out of office hours now offer na emergency if ya to be detention bill application emergency which message member of staff with me I get in touch with you but a number with me after that will come directly to me.
I say we also say or invite the brother Ghana. Now documents no application on sending call Ghana and answer her home office.
Now saying application process assistant year there have been a lot of changes into I'm not surprised say that's our question and the answer is the documents via Ghana review. 2 options. Over the option say or the back room has say na ya upload ya scan and ya come home office for that is option 1. Over another option say ube tia extra money na odia call Ghana with British High Commission visa center or moving people down na omo scan and the amount and also yeah optional a war internal ube tia extra fee for that. Then there is a third option. What the back room has said, but will be posted at home office for the center. No more mask and no more the abroad. And also there's an extra fee for that. For lawyer and as a one person away, now you want to save cost on doing that process now. Then it's possible to waiting upload your documents or portal also, and then it will be okay. And who has to be for Ghana home and I will send their home office. No lawyer need what he has to do. They know the process and they'll be able to do it for you.
Oh yeah, that's a nice Obi at the voice note but to be honest, producer be here mama na Obi the voice note but me try say mebo na also enye Okay, maybe this one. My plug, but no, making noise. Oh, that's this one. Yeah, okay.
And say, Darling J,
Yeah.
of things up as mobile program, no so, but almost frame number anymore. Means to say, the studio number, no.
Okay, yeah. Me pacha studio number no 0203 735 8820 0203 735 8820 ono ne studio number no enti mo amo pesa mo frɛ no mo betumi afrɛ sa line sisi a me wo voice note wa ha ye mo na yenti ono so.
Morning, Darlington. Good morning, Lawyer Daniel. Pacho, Madam for being a question be Hannah drink a kind to me, Musa. Pacho was so an application, a coffee kissy, na a year endrano. When your email say, almost say, na. You can't say na was say when your appointment no quiet biometric or credit, but when your email say on track ni selfie embra. Na ombe yisu ni old fingerprint na all back room han or the buy na no ombe yisu na why you confused kakra nto se me musa lawyer man say e possible na bibi sa wo ho no man na pacha me da mase wa nya me sure mo ne madwuma pa moye mo bye bye.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Lawyer, so what here?
But
okay, good.
Possible. What is happening is first, before COVID situation, it's a application and mawa. You have a documents be letter be nanka for UKVI or more centers all around the country. Now, biometric. Now, because of COVID, most of those centers, are closed here. What they've done is almost a new app will be a friend IDB app. Most people are being invited to use that app to complete the application. Based on that app, they are able to use our previous biometric details to progress application. A lot of people are receiving that invitation for their matter to be progressed. That is the reason why and there's no issue about it. We're concerned, we're worried. That is what is happening at this time.
Okay. We so a question be about say the same. I will say, hello lawyer. I met partner who has indefinite leave. Partner has child 8 years. Partner has a child which is 8 years old, born in Ghana, which was born old in Ghana. I mix up, but I'm trying to make me correction. I say, okay, I met partner who has indefinite leave. Partner has child 8 years old, Ghana. Child was born in the UK at a time when mother has nothing. Now partner and mother in long-term relationship. Partner think of applying for child, but lawyer said so responsibility as child's father is. As child father is in Ghana. I live here for 12 years and have just met a lady who is a British. I'm an overstayer. She works as a receptionist but lives with her 95-year-old mother who has Alzheimer's disease. She has mobility problems, so help looks after when my partner of 4 years is away at work. My partner has 2 other brothers in a nursing home with learning difficulties. What can I do? I don't know. So what you say, bro?
I think I get what he's trying to say, and I'll summarize it briefly. Say the INT for now. Almost would see, everything you are benefited from answer na basically, our partner whom has say, now partner a British national. Now British national, or a few, or neba whom has say, now the British national partner also Emma may already 95 years, and so to your moon chain out of what a Meanwhile, also the partner was siblings, Nubia. or more learning difficulties are almost dependent on the partner. Meaning, say the partner the person who took quite a fear, it will be a problem. I know why this is coming on because normally, say we share or bar a room has here now share bema a room ha. Now uni and crata, na so say we use susa kwano so now the nya we and crata. There are some ebe catch on say this a munya we mukofi na mo the application e but what the gentleman is trying to tell us is that ain't possible say obetimi ne yere no akofie na omako ware no akoye application. So is it possible for him to make an application here? This is a classic case. Obetimi akase there are insurmountable obstacles with them going home to go and make the application. In as much as obano entimi ne enkofie enko ware emma yefa application and to possible say on one casa as an individual no after the marriage has taken place. But it is worth looking into say me as submit application ahase amano where mra ontimi enkofi. Say at times you can say share oba ekrum ha na share be ma okrum ha na woni krata na fini and British and all the time necessary say we kofi application and wait some circumstance ya wa boss you. One of those cases I'll be more than happy to say let me warm on my year application has say without necessarily having to travel back home because I believe that there are clearly insurmountable obstacles and wow moment in coffee.
Yeah, that was it. And said that's only questions kakra yenyan in there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we any questions kakra yenya. Yeah, well, by 6 minutes literally. It is a baby boom or ha. Ubetumi de atuja yeja wachira.
Yo, you see, from all the type of questions that Eba and Neno, clearly, we can see say in for that's all issues. Issues maybe a bit gray. Mainly, in for are not aware some of the benefits that for instance, Yeniana Obisa about 20 years fees. Clearly, if you are application that's a seminal and as I said on this program, Sikasem is one of the areas that we will tell people say Bema any problem or more application because CCR concessions maybe a dose into if you are unable to pay certain things, we can look into it. If it's not a fee waiver amount, if it's no recourse to public funds, legal cards, so not benefits, there are things to assist way for here in Krata won't take advantage. Secondly, Yenuana or Sunday the last message regarding the partner which on person we say yes, so which ya bema ushoba ukubana wini Krata and bema no and obano Krata and a British passport and that's an indefinitely to remain. The starting advice that we give people is so application. We know for a fact say nkofu be brave and person be kofi. Okache mo say only option is say ube kofi. They are not happy. They be on person objective. And a lawyer person kofi na me kofi na me koka na me anything. Kofi na mamba bi na me anything. I tell people say look, it is very 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 rare say ubeshia obema wa ha ubeshia oba wa ha na mo be ware na obekofi akoya application na yen farm chance ema won. The assumption is say once a wetina krum has ya wa overstay say okoya application automatically yen farm out. And I tell people say enye no credit so overstay is a ban or mo automatic ban from coming into the country. The reason why they give them automatic ban is say let's say wetina has say why overstay na ukofie now so person because bad you have the visitors visa na buy you.
Yep.
Now the buy no so ba be 1 month, so ba be 2 months, so be di be 4-5 years. Now if you wow the open na ukofia now so for visitors visa. Don't expect to say what be mu what be overstay the best the visitors visa na be ebe mount and no the ban say back home has say you but say the visitors visa na back home in what be overstay, and the reason why I overstay and say what be share bema biwa ha what be share bad biwa ha open now on any relationship or on any relationship and nothing now person be coffee now no open say you hear the right thing now coffee now submit application ever look they encourage people to do that so most of the time those applications are successful the only times or few times that I have seen people having issues people who had issues with immigration history lawyer and discuss man can't lawyer for the lawyer to disclose everything within the application. Have a problem. So who Chrome has said na say lawyer catch us say kofi na for application ko to na bra. Mr. wa mrinyame din srew. Asem bi e wo honom history bi a wo with education for piano. But more than only lawyer and discuss it so that the lawyer can determine say look what situation where ukofia emboa and ukofia ebeboa. Very important. Our aim is to make sure say at the end of the day application will be successful. That's all that we aim for. That's what we want to do for people. We want to make people happy. We want people to be comfortable. And ways and means for those people's application to be successful. It's young can't just say Kofi Kekeni awo with Kofi. There be before a better over Kofi, you making sure you go through application and making sure to be there and Sunday away Kofi so that we can progress the application for you.
Okay.
Before we end, me might see a question also. Say during this second lockdown, Thursday going, if you need us, your phone lines are open. If you want to see us, we'll make provisions for you to come and see us.
Yeah.
If you want to meet back because of lockdown, you want to speak to us, you want to remote access to us, we have the facilities to do remote access. Any problem. Don't worry. Say, hey, we need computer, we need internet, we need way. We will make things as easy as possible for you. We are open for business. We are submitting people's application for them as normal. Any issue will be and we'll be more than happy to assist you.
Before me jump messages to Ababigu, I'm kind of quickly now. I'm sorry. So, we'll say I've been in this country for a while. I've renewed my visa, and next year April, I'll be doing my naturalization. I'll apply for my indefinite leave to remain, but my worry is my credit is very bad. A few occasions I've took a loan I couldn't afford to pay. It wasn't deliberate, and will that affect my natural? And also, I've had a car ticket that also I couldn't pay. Bailiff chased me here and there. Would that affect my application for indefinite leave to remain?
For indefinite leave to remain, even though it will be important, some of the issues, we need to disclose it, and as we don't need to disclose it. Into a very, very, very important way that will be and affected immigration application for indefinite.
Okay.
So we application for naturalization are different, but for application for indefinite, and affected. But it's very, very important. So my lawyer in who information because it may be necessary say on be disclose your application and on
Okay. Nice. Also, where's to say I have married and brought my husband over here in the UK. I now have a baby and on maternity. Due to this, I had to claim universal credit. Will that affect my husband's next application process? I'm a British.
You see, the universal credit, farm individual, the family. Okay. So if why your application for universal creditor? My question would be, how did you get that universal credit? Because it also what warrior now, it may be so status, and then the type of job he does and all that. The only time that will become a problem for Wukununu will be say what feelings are from one kind of prayer form, then that could be a problem for the family.
Okay.
But if you have answered all the questions correctly, then you don't have any issue.
Okay.
When the time is due for Wukununu to do a renewal, so Mone lawyer and discuss and said this is what we did in the past, and the lawyer will advise you according to plan for the application ever faster.
On that note, you better lawyer Daniel Kola say Sana medical cano, Yamrano, Enya, I a bit 2 minutes crab, I be guso. Some ye were off a line, our main station radio because of advert automated program. Now, more Facebook, the Muguso, I was so. Samre, ye liar, ye do beja, na nyami adma, that's an answer, ye best sign, yen weshia. Na, Monswa, Mobaso, no, mo person, mo friend Daniel Kwa, mo mama, dear friend was 0203 325-7030. I was Fortwell Solicitors. And I say, Obercom ho, I was unit 1, unit 50A, Clarendon Road, a year North London, a ho, and now more, na onomo akudi mponipo. Number 1 lawyer, you better RCP.
You'll be that civil darling, and I'm a dassy for you, so I'll join in and I'll share you. So, yeah, that's it.
Bye bye.
Yo, Ghana for you want English approach my moha. Ya sweaty. Yenya emrenim fo a wen akwatare wo emrenimo a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer fo entimi nuanom mumiyem fo ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emrenim akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan wo krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mponi se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 50A Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.